Merry meet everyone and welcome to my channel and Happy New Year, and I hope 2024 is a wonderful year for everyone. So today I'm going to unbox a Preah Ko box. I've had a couple of these before and I really like them. So this is their mystery healing box. So let's have a look. I opened it because it always takes me forever, but I haven't actually opened to see what's inside. Right, just undo these. I do like these little boxes. And they're ones you can choose how much you want your box to cost. They have like a price range. There's my little bits of paper. So the first thing we have is a green adventurine, which is a comforter, heart healer, enhances creativity, calms anger and irritation, emotional calm, compassion and empathy, a harmonizer, healing, and all-round healer. So it's got a nice little wooden thing, and it's a nice crystal sphere put on there like that. How nice is that one? I'm going to stick that back in there because I do like to take photographs of them so that I know what everything is. And I'm figuring this is this is jade. Look at that, a new jade bracelet. And this is for purity, serenity, luck, abundance, love, nurturing, calming, and healing of the kidneys, adrenal glands, bones, fertility, childbirth, and spleen. And then we have I don't know what they like. I'm thinking that's one of those things that you hang up somewhere, like in your car or your wardrobe. Yeah, it's got a little stopper in. So I don't know what that is because it doesn't tell you. And there's a book, Healing, a Guide to Overcome the Emotional Turmoil, New High, and Finding Freedom. Okay, not what I was expecting in a mystery box, but there you go. Looks interesting, doesn't it? I'll have to give that a read. Box. Bit disappointed in that, I have to say. Didn't really want a book, but there you go. It was a nice box anyway, and I do like these. These are nice. There's something I don't know what that is because it doesn't say. And of course the book is bent, which is also I'm not happy with. See, look at that. I never bend my books. I hate books being bent. Anyway, that's my book. That's my little healing box. And if anyone likes that sort of thing, then they can definitely would be suited for some people. I'll have to read that book and not, sorry about that, I'm making noises, I'm folding things up. I have to read the book and not make too much of a judgment, although my OCD is really really annoyed about that. So thank you again for tuning in for this quick video. While I'm at it, I also got some stones from another company called no, that's not it. What Anyway, I'll show you. This is a blue agate. I got stuff for healing, and that's really pretty. Look at that. And I got some yellow apatite. I think that's how you pronounce it. Apatite. And it's only very small because it's really hard to come by. But here you go. And that is a healing stone. And I've got a little like skull that you can open and close and wear it around your neck. So I'm going to put that in there. And it's beautiful. So I really like that. So I'm happy with those. Okay guys, so until the next time, please take care of yourself and the family and the people you love. Many blessings and merry part.